Hey everyone, welcome back to Medicare Agent IQ. It's a podcast and a YouTube channel designed to help agents to be successful in Medicare. So today, what we're going to be talking about is kind of, when we've done it on a podcast before, is embracing the entrepreneur mindset. What you want to do is you want to think in terms the way that an entrepreneur would. So I don't want you to be thinking like I have a job, because a lot of agents do that. They're thinking, gosh, I got to go to work. And you got to get out of that mindset. If you are in Medicare sales, you are a small business owner, and I want you thinking in terms of revenue. I want you thinking long-term, what you can do with your business. This is your business that will be yours as long as you stay in the business. You can build it to be as big as you want. So kind of take the limitations off. Having a job, there'd be limits there, right? For what you're doing as an entrepreneur, there's no limits to how much you can earn, how much you can do. And then kind of even thinking about it in that same way, right? I get to take as much vacation as I want. But as an entrepreneur, maybe I'm thinking, I want to grow my business. Maybe I'm not going to take advantage of that. Think like an entrepreneur thinks, and you're going to be very successful in this business. Hey, would you do me a favor? So we have a podcast called Medicare Agent IQ. It's on Spotify, it's on Apple and Google Podcasts, really anywhere that you get your podcast content. Would you follow us there? And also make sure to like us and select that notification bell here on this channel. We really appreciate that. The more people that we have listening, obviously the better. So stay tuned for more tips, and we'll be glad to help anytime.